I was at university for 4 years and brilliant. I'm getting a degree, I'm going to get a great job at the end of this, and that's when the whole economy started to fall apart, and I spent a good year looking for a job. Didn't happen. Had my part-time job on the side that was keeping me going. Then it came the beginning of the year and I just wanted a whole change, so ditched everything and was looking for other opportunities, and I came across Robertson Technologies. Did a good bit of research into it, and it looked the perfect opportunity for someone in my situation and to take it and run with it. It's pasting together all the skills I learned at university, management side of things, marketing, sales. I did it all, even the IT is in there as well. And it's putting it all together, and I'm actually finding university was worthwhile at the end of it. And it's perfect for someone like that who's not finding the jobs and really wants to go out on their own. It's a great opportunity for them. The support from Robertson Technologies, the training, it has been second to none. It's been absolutely fantastic. They've given me all the tools I need to get on with running my business and letting me do it myself, really.